spouštět ty kousky z V podstatě se teda jedná o my project, Praha slyšitelnosti, which I do, it's difficult to translate, but what I will do is I record some sound of train which will go on this bridge and transfer it to MIDI data, and with this MIDI data I will play some pieces from Vltava song, this classical song from Bedřich Smetana. I'm sorry for my English. Maybe you can understand.
Yes.
So, we are waiting for train. Next train is train 7815. And it's my favorite train today.
Never rely on technology.
Because I think the next train will have better.